Yes, I know the pizza crust, it's very important in the pizza, but what's more important is the pizza sauce, because that's where you get most of the flavor from. So how to make this amazing raw pizza sauce, you're just about to find out.
I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello and welcome to Let's Google It, everyone. So let's begin making this amazing pizza sauce. So I'm gonna start with the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, brown sugar. Brown sugar has molasses and give amazing flavor to the pizza sauce. And granulated garlic or garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and a tiny bit of sriracha sauce. It's less than a quarter teaspoon. Olive oil, and be a little generous with the olive oil because it goes so well with it. So I'm going here for 4 tablespoons. And here I have oregano, basil, and thyme. So we're gonna wake them up. So I'm going to smush them a little bit to get the max flavor from them. Perfect, that's more than enough. Then all go in. And now we're going to combine everything together. So we're gonna keep mixing until all the oil disappeared and blend with the sauce. And very important to prepare this sauce at the same time you're preparing the dough. So by the time the dough is ready, the sauce will be full of flavor and ready to amaze you. So this recipe will make about 3 to 4 15-inch pizza. It depends how much you put on it, and it's freezer friendly as well. So any amount you don't need, you just put it in a sealed container. You put it in the freezer, and whenever you want to make pizza, take it in overnight, put it in the fridge, and ready to be used. And as soon as your pizza dough ready, you spread this amazing, tasty pizza sauce, and as always, all yours to enjoy.